Hey folks, Jane Hamill. Today's episode is for entrepreneurs. Well, like every episode, it's for entrepreneurs who sell physical products. And I'm going to teach you a specific strategy today. I'm getting a ton of questions about Black Friday, Cyber Monday. I'm going to keep this quick and simple. And those listening on the podcast, I'd probably suggest you hop on over to YouTube and watch this Fashion Brain Academy YouTube channel. And it's what to do for Black Friday. So, and the reason I'm saying you might want to hop over to YouTube is I'm going to show some examples. So, after meeting with a bunch of clients this week, my private clients, shout out to all you guys. You are so fun. I learn so much from you every week. A lot of anxiety about Black Friday. What should I do? What should I send? How many emails? What's my offer? Do I have just one offer? Do I do one for Cyber Monday, one for, ugh. Okay. There's a lot we could do, but I just want to give you this one simple tip. I don't know the best thing for you to do for Black Friday, but I do know the second best thing. And I'm always good enough is good enough. So if you do a promotion for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or whatever you want to call it, that's take 30% off site wide or 20% off site wide or 25% off, whatever. You're doing kind of what everybody else is doing. And honestly, in America these days, 30% off site wide for Black Friday is not that great of an offer, which is sad, right? But it's you're giving away a big discount, 30%. And for them, they're like, I'm getting 40, 50% off these other places. So that's that. The other thing is usually a discount off site wide doesn't usually always convert better, usually actually converts less well than, gosh, I'm losing my words. Can you tell I'm tired? It often converts not as well as if you did a discount on one category of product or just one like, hey, any of these kinds of scarves, 40% off today only, or today and tomorrow only. Because if you do site wide, people have to make a decision. What do I want to get? They have to think too hard. So that's a lesson for a different day. Let me just give you what I would suggest you try for Black Friday, and covered it with a few clients. I told them I would send them some email examples, and I decided I'm just going to show you guys all the examples. So I suggest you do a holiday or whatever, a bundle, a mystery bundle. Mystery packs, mystery bundle, mystery bags, whatever, they are still working really, really well. And there's a few things you need to know about it. Number one, you do mystery bundles usually, for most people listening, it's to get rid of inventory you have that you're going to put on sale anyway. So if you have leftover items A, B, and C, yeah, you could say take 40% off items A, B, and C. That's fine. You could totally do that. Or you could say, you could put them into mystery bundles and say, this is $150 worth of merchandise. You'll get it for $99 today only. And that just seems to be working better. And it's been a few years now that mystery bundles are working well. So you can do whatever you want to do. I'm just saying, consider doing a mystery pack or a mystery bundle for when you want to have a sale, okay, or clearing things out, because it just works. So I'm going to give you a couple examples. Now, one of the OG really good mystery bundle offerers is Claire from Bean Goods. And I'm going to give you an example from a while back because it's very simple when they very first started doing it. So they did a mystery pack for holiday season. And it's like, you're getting something in the mail. So if those of you on the podcast, I'm just showing you an image from the email that shows a bag that's being shipped in the mail. And it's cute. It's got a cute, like, dachshund theme thing, mystery packs. And here's what the graphic says. All packs include, boom, 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 only blank price instead of blank value price. Okay, so mystery packs, all packs include 2 mystery tees, 1 mystery sweatshirt, 1 mystery item, only $52. It's $134 value, which is legit amazing deal. Shop now. And in this case, they're doing this 12 days of Docsmith, and they have this cute GIF at the end of the email. a little bit of a note about afterpay, interest-free payments, things like that. That's it. Okay. And then when you click over, they don't have that live anymore, but it looks something like this. This is a mystery pack product page. And so this was for Halloween, 150 packs available. Normal price is this, crossed out. This is the new price. You're saving $30. You can see the mystery packs, $128 value, are now $98. Whereas they used to, when they first started, or maybe, whatever, they were really discounting way low. So this was either things they were really doing clearance things to get rid of them, or they were underpricing. Who knows? So at this point, so you just, the way they have this set up is, I'm guessing this is some type of app, whatever. Choose your t-shirt size, choose your sweatshirt size, which dog bandana do you want to choose, how many mystery packs do you want, buy now. Okay, that's sold out, obviously, but that's basically it. Okay, so that's the first example from Claire. Next example I want to show you is Jackie. So Jackie, when she was doing a mystery bundle, she puts an announcement the day before. She's teasing it the day before, and it just says, there's an email in the morning that says, announcement, mystery bundles are coming tomorrow, meaning like, get ready, know they're here. She's got an image, mystery bundles are coming tomorrow. Hey, Jane, when you have lemons, you make lemonade. That's what I'm doing. The color tests I've been working on for new items aren't ready yet. They need a lot more love. But so I decided to do mystery bundles. Obviously, she can do this because she has a lot of repeat customers. They love her stuff. They know a lemon is just like not perfect for Jackie because she hand dyes her things, but it's going to be great. Blah, blah, blah. And then she gives all the details. Okay. Bundles are available at this point. 3 pieces in each bundle. So she explains it very well. Each bundle will have 3 pieces with an average retail of $264 to $289. Your price will be $168. If you want to do a large bundle, she has small bundles, large bundles. A large bundle is going to be 6 pieces. And so for her pieces, it's apparel and scarves. And for the 6-piece bundle, the average retail price is $540. You're going to get it for $288. Okay. And then she goes into the rules. Pieces will be a mix of spring and summer. Colors can vary a bit from season to season. You'll not get to choose your styles or colors. You just order by size. You can order as many bundles as you like, but these are final sales and they can't be combined with any other discount codes or anything. And the last day to ship. Okay, so she's giving you everything you need to know in this email. And then the next day, she sends an email that says, woohoo, they're here, buddy. And so that's just the simple subject line. Mystery bundles are live. Emoji, shop now. Same image, just showing an idea of what she sells, all the different pieces. Mystery bundles are here today and tomorrow only. These are our clients' most favorite events, which they really truly are. People love this stuff. Get your bundle now. Here's the details. Repeated the same from yesterday's email. Shop bundles now, and now it's live. And then you can go there and you can choose, do I want a medium bundle? Do I want a large bundle? The prices and what is the size options. Okay. All right. The last example I want to show you is from Erica. And this is one, it was during the pandemic, and she calls it the new Cozy at Home mystery box. And Cozy at Home mystery box includes a whole bunch of things. She made it like this whole big grab bag of stuff almost, which is fine. Like, Claire's example, she just did 3 things. You get a t-shirt, you get this, you get that. So I had a jewelry designer I was working with today. She's going to do something like 1 earring, 2 earrings, 1 necklace, or 3 stacked rings. Which bundle do you want? Or do you want both? Okay. Okay. So, hey, maybe it's something you need relaxing and enjoyable. I've curated an ultimate package of cozy goodies. It's $78 instead of $132, which is a $50 savings. So including the original price, the new price is really important. And if you can do like a cross out in red to get the new price, that really works. You'll get an array of our accessories to keep you looking good and feeling good while you're cooped up in the house. Cozy and soft, Edelweiss tea, fun and flirty, crown, set of earrings. What's not to love? Each mystery pack will include, now she's loaded this with a bunch of things. One t-shirt, one floral crown, exclusive to the mystery box. This Edelweiss t-shirt is exclusive to the mystery box. So they know that these are not things they can get somewhere else. So in this case, Erica created this as a mystery bundle for purchase for the holidays, for when we were doing, quarantine. And so she lets you choose your color palette, grayscale, earth tones, or brights. And a lot of this stuff, because the t-shirts were made just for this bundle, you can only get it here. So this was not like, I want to clear some things out. This was like, I want to offer something really cool. I want to do this like subscription box type thing, but it's a one-time thing. She called it a mystery box. That's it. And then she says, hey, these are made to order, allow 1 to 3 weeks for the t-shirts to be delivered. And because those are print on demand, I'm assuming. And then the other things will ship separately. All mystery pack purchases are final sale. And then important, only 65 boxes available. I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but I think it's important to mention how many are available. You'll notice if you are in the video here, if you look down here at Claire's, this is from a while back, but to me, it's the best example. She announces on the 11th, mystery packs 50 available. Same day, she sends a second email. These are selling out. And then a week later, they sold out so fast, she got some back in stock and said, mystery packs are back for 1 day only, right? So definitely, if you're going to create a mystery bundle, send more than one email, okay? When Jackie did this, she says the teaser email on the 10th of January, and then the 11th in the morning, the 11th in the afternoon, the 12th in the morning, and a last call on the 12th in the afternoon. Okay, that's 5 emails in 3 days. And that's not too many. Here's a very, very recent mystery bundle from Claire. And again, she's got a really simple image. This is the package. This is what it looks like. It's inside there. We don't know what it is. It's fun. Halloweeny mystery pack restock. Hey, be the first to know that we just got some more back. Snag yours now before everyone else does. It's $128 worth of stuff for $98. She's not explaining the offer as much here because she has sent this offer multiple times. And this is going to the same people, I'm assuming. Okay. Don't get FOMO, snag yours now. And then she shows examples of what people have posted when they received their mystery bags. And that's because it's a restock. So she does have that user generated content, which you might not have. Okay. I hope that helps you kind of understand. I do want to give you one last one. This is from Ange Hill. Angela does sustainable women's wear in Canada. Beautiful things. I'm actually going to have her on the podcast in a few weeks. And she's got capsule mystery bags, save 40%. New mystery bags have arrived. There are 3 sizes of bags, and each contains products that are 40% off and savings up to $140. You don't have to have 3 sizes, you guys. That does complicate things, but you can. Most of the bags have already been sold out to our early bird list. She said they sold really fast, and she had done a like, are you interested in this early bird? Do you want to be on the list to get notified? Let me show you that email. Actually, it's called Surprise Limited Edition Mystery Boxes. I'm putting together some capsule mystery bags, blah, blah, blah. Get on the list here. And how am I supposed to get off the list? Maybe I'm not on the list. Each bag contains products Okay, oh yeah, sign up here. I'm sorry, I missed the call to action. Yeah, so if you want to be on the VIP early notification list for the mystery capsule collection bags, do it now. Okay, so people get on the list, and then they got first dibs, and then there were a couple bags left, I believe, that she put out to the public, and you order your surprise bag, and then she does a great job of, she did a reel or a TikTok, something, a short form video of the mystery bag. And I'll play it for you here. And there you go. So she's showing an example of her packing up a mystery bag. And it just says, this is an example of a large capsule mystery bag. It's adorable. She's adorable. It says it includes 3 clothing items and 1 accessory item. She has a little note. She's packing it. She's shipping it. She smiles. She's nice. And that's it. So that's how she promoted it on social. Oh, that was a YouTube short. Whatever. It's probably all the things. So that is my suggestion for you. It's not super easy strategy, but it's not hard. It's not like we're roofers here or working on a chain gang. Okay. We're typing things into our emails and sending emails and shipping products. So I really do suggest you try it. And if during the Black Friday, Cyber Monday rush is not the best time, then maybe do it as something in January, whatever. The thing is, you don't have to. Most people do something for Black Friday. Like I know Jackie for years, she wouldn't do Black Friday, but she would do about 2 weeks earlier. She would do a customer appreciation event. And she would say, it's almost Thanksgiving. I am so flipping thankful for you. Every time you buy from a small business, a real person does a little dance. I'm doing a dance and I want to thank you. And here's blank deal. And that was about 2 weeks before Black Friday. And she even said, I'm not going to do the Black Friday thing. I'm a small business. I'm just going to do this instead for you. And that's what she did. She did something 2 weeks ahead of time. I mean, it's practically Black Friday month these days. But in any case, her customer appreciation sale always went very well. But if you're going to do Black Friday, consider doing a mystery bundle instead of like a site-wide sale. Have an awesome one. And if you like things like this, strategies to make money, if you're a private client, I make these kind of videos and send them out pretty regularly, or during our sessions, we'll come up with your strategies for your next marketing activities. And I always have examples and tutorials and classes and things to refer you to that I've created, including like scripts for emails and templates and things. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, check out coaching options, private coaching, if you like, at fashionbrainacademy.com. I'm also going to be teaching a couple one-off individual workshops, things that I really know are working right now. And I want to share with more people and go like kind of in depth to give you full strategy for email list building, tracking in 10 minutes per week, tracking your numbers to understand what's working, what's not, and what to spend more time and energy on. And then also your content and promotions calendar. What are you selling and when, and how to combine your content between, your website, your email, your social. So it's not like doing things in 3 different silos. So you have triple the amount of work. If that's interesting to you, go to the site and get on the early bird list for workshops, new workshops, fashionbrainacademy.com/workshops, EB, like early bird. All right. Have a great day, guys. I hope that helps. Let me know what you thought about this episode. Okay. I would love to hear it. And be kind and leave a review if you would. Bye.